didn't close the bloody fridge properly?
I didn't open the fridge this morning.
Where did you get the milk for that cereal?
It was on the table.
I would appreciate it if everybody could take proper care when closing the fridge, please.
God, relax.
Who's paying the electricity bills around here? Who's paying the electricity bills around here?
The milk was there, Dad.
Who's paying the electricity bills around here?
The milk was there, Dad.
Who's paying the electricity bills around here?
The milk was there, Dad.
Why can't we both close the fridge properly? Oh, why can't we both close the fridge properly? Oh, why can't we both close the fridge properly? Oh, why can't we both close the fridge properly?
Have you considered the possibility it was you?
No, I have not considered the possibility it was me. It's never me.
Okay, Mr. Perfect.
In this instance, yes.
So you've never once in your whole life left a fridge door open?
Sarah. Grand whatever. Don't grand whatever.
Don't you grand whatever just close the fridge fucking properly. Don't you grand whatever just close the fridge fucking properly. Don't you grand whatever just close the fridge fucking properly. Don't you grand whatever just close the fridge fucking properly.
Just close the fridge fucking properly.